King news, my lovely, wonderful people. The governor of Imo State, his heart is beating. He's doing peke, 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 peke. You understand where I'm coming from. His name is called Hope. Okay, himself and Emeka, they had an election some time ago. Why Hope was the candidate of the All Progressive Congress, Omeka was the candidate of the People Democratic Party. Election came, was done and dusted. So after that, the Supreme Court came up and said, he did not win. It was this person that won the election. And Nigerians were just watching and asking themselves, how did we come about? The Supreme Court was asked, what happened? How did this? They could not speak. The Supreme Court of Nigeria was as silent as a mouse after all they did. Okay, many waters have gone down the bridge. The same case is now being, there is opportunity for that case to be reviewed. And Governor Hope is seeking a re-election. So many issues have gone, and have happened. And now, if the Supreme Court that says they are the supreme, after them, not them again, nobody must judge case, is not ready, is fixing a date to say, okay, possibility, let's look at this case. Will Emeka become the governor of Imo State? Because when Hope came, Imo State became, sorry to use this language, hopeless. People began to die like flies. Oh, yes, the youth. If you stand against him, in fact, things have gone beyond you can imagine. And at the end of the day, we are where we are because of two men. Because of two men. So we don't know how things will follow, but we sincerely hope. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details as we understand what may follow. So the Supreme Court has fixed a date to hear the issue going up between Governor Hope Zedema and his counterpart, Naibin brother, Emeka. This is very serious, very, very serious. The Supreme Court has indicated that it will, on 31st of October, 21st of October, 2023, look into the case. Okay? Okay. As the Imo State governorship matter continues to go on, the Apex Court disclosed this through on Monday on the hearing and has marked the suit number is marked there. The number is there. The notice has come saying that they will look into the case. But we all know that in Nigeria, that's just all they said. They said they will look into the case. But we all know that in Nigeria, yes, the Supreme Court happens to be like the highest court. And once a matter is decided upon by the Supreme Court, that is it. So them now saying that they have fixed a date to seek, to look into this matter again. What does that mean? Okay, what does that mean? They are fixing a case with regards to what happened in Imo in 2019. This was what, in fact, everybody's heart was like, what is going on? How come? Where did you get that much? It was such a rough one. But the same Supreme Court now is saying, that they will look into the case again. That's what they just said. They did not give any further. They just said they will be looking into this case again. Back in 2019, it became a serious matter where they were expecting. Besides, Hope did not take first or second. No, Hope did not come first or second. The governor who was outgoing then, talking about senator, his son-in-law, actually, bought double nomination form, double nomination form, and as a result, he was disqualified. Yes, but how Hope came from third, that one actually came second to become the one who became the governor of the state is still a mystery. Courtesy of Nigerian Supreme Court, who feels that they can do and undo. So APC and PDP, it was a serious struggle. People were trying to understand what was going on. Again, we had then our very own brother, Oshomole. These were some of the people who stood and ensured that, Hope became governor of Imo State. Hope became governor. It was a bloody affair. People were dying left, right, and center. Now, I don't understand what has prompted or touched the Supreme Court to say that they will look into this matter, they will examine it, they will look into this matter, they will, revisit it. That's the Supreme Court. So it's really a very it's something that we cannot place our finger on. We know that the Supreme Court happens to be the highest authority court in the land. Once they have decided upon a matter, that matter is as good as being decided upon. However, the same Supreme Court is saying that they will look into this matter. Okay, so it is something that everybody must really pay attention to and understand. It's something that we must really sincerely pay attention to and understand. So these are some of the issues going on, and every single person is beginning to look, and we are wondering, what will be the next point of call, because we really want this nation to be a better place. We want Nigeria, we want the people, we want things to be better, so that we can move forward and we can make real progress and make Nigeria, a home for all. The issue is that there are people who knows, okay, some of these issues, they know some of these things, but they've decided to toe the path that they toe. They've decided to toe the path that they toe. And if we want to really see, Nigeria move forward, see real, the life of people positively, impacted, we will have to do more. We will have to do more. So these are some of the things that are happening, some of the things that have gone on, and every single person, we need to, look into things more critically and ensure that the right thing is done. We all know what's going on. You and I know. We know what's going on, but we'll not allow, the same people who have been there from time immemorial, causing all forms of, mishappening in this country to continue. We know. So let's ensure, let's endeavor that we do what is right, what is needed, and what is necessary to change the course of this nation, to bring Nigeria to where it needs to be. So these are some of the things that are happening. Okay, so these are some of the things that are happening now. Every single person, wants Bola Ahmed Tinubu, okay, wants Bola Ahmed Tinubu to leave the position, because not everybody, some people, because they feel very strongly that, he has no case. What he's doing currently right now, there is no need for him to continue in that right in those area, unless he tells Nigerians where he's coming from, where he has been, and what have you. So Nigerians, it is a serious matter for everybody to pay attention to, and for us to look at and ensure that the truth is done. Please don't forget, every one of us must contribute positively to change the course of this nation. Leave us a comment. Don't forget to please like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Have a fantastic and a lovely day. And from us, is bye for now.